Hello, this is Pat from Pine Lake Parts in Plainwell, Michigan. If you have any questions on this 1961 Evinrude 3-horse, you can give us a call at 855-313-3280. As you can see from the video here, this motor is in outstanding condition. Don't normally find them this nice when they haven't been restored. So this is all original. The only thing I've done is clean it and clean the points. The underneath flywheel, this motor looks like brand new, and it started like it too. Toss it here in the tank. These are real light, new motor type thing. I'm going to turn the gas valve on over here on the side. Basically unscrew it, move the start handle to start, clamp it down real quick, pull out the choke. This motor hadn't been started in about 3 days, so that was a cold start, first pull. Same thing it did the first time I started it. I don't think it's been started for a really long time. Pretty slow. Running out of gas. I only had a little bit in the tank, so it just ran out of gas. Really nice running little engine though. I think they weigh like 38 pounds with a full tank of fuel. Any questions, give me a call. 855-313-3280.